These boxes set up over here. Check this. People talk about it being heavy. I don't really find it that heavy. I've had other one-handed gimbals before, but it's really not that serious. People say, oh, after holding this for 20 minutes, I'm gonna be really tired. They do have two-handle setups from multiple companies for this. I got this right here. So I'm gonna show you the way I believe it's supposed to be put on the Ronin S, and then the way I find it more useful. So looking at this, it looks like, based off what I've seen online, and I think I saw it on some instructions too, could be mistaken, that you can mount your handles pointing outwards, inwards, down or upward, whichever. But the way it looks like it's supposed to mount is like this, near the top. That probably makes sense when it comes to center of gravity. And you put this little rubber spacer in here to keep it nice and snug. The problem with mounting it like this is that you're holding it under here, like so, and you cannot reach the trigger. And you cannot easily reach the mode button, okay? So what I have done is mounted it lower, almost at the very bottom, so that it is more like this, and also mounted upwards, because you can't mount it downwards like this because it wouldn't be able to sit on the tripod because the legs would come out too hard. Okay, so I throw this on here like so, almost to the very bottom. Then I wrap this around like so. And I don't know, this might be the way they intended it to work. Throw it in there like that, or on there like that. Insert a little screw that's going on one side. I'll get you a close-up in just a moment. Okay, so there is the little screw in here. So you can see that better like this. Tighten it up. So notice this is almost all the way down on the bottom. So we tighten this up. Finish doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna switch to mode 2 temporarily so it'll quit leaning on me. I can still reach the power button down here. I can still reach all my triggers. So I can basically use this in this mode, use it in this mode, still use it in this mode, and I can invert it like so, still use it in this mode, and use it in this mode. So you don't lose anything, you only gain. You don't have the exact full mobility that you did before. However, everything works. And that's it. Anyway, I think we have a winner. Deuces.